When we type URL or email address in Excel, by default Excel converts this plain text to hyperlinked text. Generally, this is not the preferred behavior in the worksheet. When the plain text is converted to hyperlink, we need to be more attentive while working in the Excel sheet that contains hyperlinked text, because then we need to click on the blank area in the cell containing hyperlinked text to select the cell. Otherwise, the link gets clicked. If even you are struggling with this issue, today I will show you 3 methods to prevent this type of autocorrection in Excel. So stay tuned. Hi, I am your tutor and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. So let's start. As you can see, when I exit the cell after typing the website addresses, the text in the cell gets converted to hyperlinked text, and similar is the case with email addresses. So let us see how we can prevent this from happening. Our first method will be applied Excel wide. To do this, we'll go to File menu, then click on Options. Excel Options dialog box will open. Then select Proofing from the left hand side and click on Autocorrect Options button on the right hand side. This will open another dialog box. Select the second tab, that is Auto Format as you type, in the dialog box and uncheck the option Internet and Network Paths with Hyperlink. And then click OK on both the dialog box to close. And we are done. Now let us check by typing a website and email address. And this is working as expected. Now let us reverse our setting so that we can check our second method. Let me see once if the settings are reversed or not. Okay, now we are again getting the hyperlinks. So let's move on to our next method, which can be done by writing a VBA macro code. For this, let us open our VBA editor by pressing Alt F11. I will paste the code here, which is copied in my clipboard. I have also provided this code in the description box below. So this is the code which will remove hyperlinks for us. Let us close this VBA editor and check the code in our worksheet. Now let us press Alt F8 to open the macro dialog box. We'll select the macro name of our code and click Run. And our code has removed all the hyperlinks. To make this VBA code practically usable, we can also assign a shortcut to the macro name here. And then we can run the code with our shortcut instead of running it from the macro dialog box. But instead of keyboard, if you are a mouse lover, then you can create a shortcut button which will be available on the Excel window header besides our file name. For this, click on this small arrow and select More Commands from the menu. This will open Excel Options dialog box. Then change the command from Popular Commands to Macros and select the name of our macro code from the list and add it. Finally click OK to close the dialog box. You can see a new macro button just next to the small arrow, which can be clicked when we want to run our macro code. The third method is more like a tip. So when we leave the cell after typing any email address or website address and Excel autocorrect adds hyperlink to it, we can just use Ctrl Z to undo the autocorrect. This can be handy when we are neither ready with the VBA code and nor we have made any changes in the Excel options to prevent Excel from auto hyperlinking. Do write in the comment box below if you know any other method to prevent auto hyperlinking in Excel. So that's all in this video. If you found this video useful, please like and share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do it right now and press the bell icon besides the subscribe button so that you don't miss on any new videos that I upload. Thanks for watching.